Hi guys, this is a quick video just to go through this document that you have been given, which is a PDF that has a bunch of hot links and will really help you understand as an overview the 6 main places that you go as an eXp agent to find just about anything you need. So I just want to go over those real quick so you can either reference this back or it'll at least just give you a quick introduction so you can come and explore this document that again you have. This document that I have here is a state neutral document. So it is not going to have the specific hot links for the state or states that you're in. Your version of it likely has some links that might link to, for instance, the Ohio State site or the Kentucky State site. But if you're in a state that doesn't have that, then you have the state neutral site, which is really, it has almost everything you need. Okay, so let's look at these 6 general places that you will go to probably get 90% of your questions answered. The first thing we talk about all the time is eXp World. Guys, eXp World is basically where you go as if you were going into a traditional office. It's where you go for the live training classes. It's where you go if you need support from a eXp staffer. It's where you go for the state broker meetings. It is the same as going into the eXp office. You should have downloaded it. If you haven't, you'll need to do that. You can either just Google download eXp World and or you've probably received a couple emails with the links to it. I don't think this is hot linked. This may be hot linked here actually. The next place that you will go that is important for you to understand what it is called eXp Enterprise. eXp Enterprise is a resource site for you that has all kinds of stuff. It's a dashboard for your relationship with eXp. It has your business transaction summary, so you can see exactly what deals you've closed, what money came out of it, what money came to you, all the things. It has a link to the organization that operates our stock, our stock awards, so you can see that. It has a link to the revenue share, although you can also go to my.exprealty.com, and that's also your revenue share. It has marketing templates. It has a link to the marketing templates. It has a link to the tech tools. It has company information, all kinds of stuff. It also has something called eXp Explore Guide. And eXp Explore Guide is a really well thought out spot for you to go and kind of walk through lots of different topics within eXp. So I recommend that inside of eXp Enterprise, which you can link that here, you go to the eXp Explore Guide and spend some time poking around there as well. This is inside of eXp Enterprise, all right? The next place you'll go once you're doing business at eXp is SkySlope, and of course the e-signature platform that's inside of SkySlope, which is called DigiSign. SkySlope is how we upload documents once we have signed contracts that we need to submit to the brokers or to the company. We turn in the contracts for broker review. When the file is complete, we get paid. And again, the DigiSign is a free e-signature program. Now, if you are in Ohio, you have the option to add dotloop for $8 a month. If you are not in Ohio, then you do not have that option and unfortunately are not grandfathered into that. If you click here, this link will take you to some tutorials for DigiSign and SkySlope. Pretty easy to navigate. There's also all kinds of training. Your state will offer training about that. The university offers a training weekly about SkySlope, so plenty of places to go and learn about that. SkySlope's tutorials are awesome as well. The fourth place is eXp University. This is all things training. We have over 80 hours of live training provided to you in the world, in eXp World, and we also have archived copies as well. If you click here, you'll go to the eXp training calendar. If you click here, you'll go to the recorded training. And if you click here is some more recorded training, which is the eXp University site. I don't think you can see that. There it is. Okay, awesome. The fifth place I like to mention is Workplace. Workplace is a Facebook product, and it's owned by Facebook, and it's for inter-company community building. So it's community and collaboration. You can share information. You can ask for help. You can give and get referrals. It is owned by Facebook, as I said. And on page 2 of this PDF that we're going over right now, I give a list of some of the favorite workplace groups that I've joined. There are lots more than that, and you're welcome to join as many as you want, or you don't have to join as many as I suggest either. It's kind of up to you. But this is a place that you'll go for a lot of help if you're just looking for kind of that water cooler help. It also has a function called Workplace Chat, and that's similar to Facebook Messenger. All right, so you can always communicate with any eXp agent anywhere in the world through Workplace Chat. All right. The last place you may go, or you may not, is KV Core. KV Core is the third-party vendor that we use for our website, your website. It has an IDX feed, which means that it talks to our MLS, so your clients can use your website as a search tool. It is a customer relation management tool, what they call a CRM. It has marketing campaigns. There are hundreds of places to learn about KV Core. Here are a few where you can start. We also have KV Core classes live in eXp University, and KV Core has a bunch of tutorials that you can find just about anywhere you look. Okay. Next page. This is a recommendation for your first 30 days of training. First 30 days of training. So you can go through here. Move this out of the way. Here we go. If you are brand new to eXp or brand new in the business, I really think you should do 101, 102, and 103 of the Fast Start series. Click here to find the next scheduled one through the calendar. Click here to go through a pre-recorded version. No matter how many deals you've ever done in your life, these first 3 are really more eXp oriented. And then 104 through 114 are more for training for new agents, or if you need to kind of brush up on basics, it's a great place to start. Also, right here, I didn't mention, they give eXp World Tours 3 times a day, I believe, every single day of the week, except for the weekends. And I really want you to go in and take that tour. It's very important that you're comfortable navigating the world so that you know how to get in and get training. This is a link to the training calendar as well right here. All right. I recommend that you take in the first 30 days something called Accounting 101. It's not really a well-named course because it's not about accounting. All right. It's just a great class to understand the financial benefits that you receive here. It is actually not recorded, so this is incorrect. You need to go into the training calendar and find the next Accounting 101 and just go to that. Also, I recommend that you join the leadership meeting every Friday at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the main auditorium. And right after that is the Icon. It's called iConversations. And what they do is they take 3 top agents and they put a panel together and ask them questions about best practices and stuff. So that's also a really good way to spend your time. Here are the links to some SkySlope training. If you're going to do deals, you want to learn that in your first 30 days. If you want to sell more homes, you definitely want to tap into any of the Icon series classes. These classes are taught by top agents who have received the top production award at eXp called Icon. And they're great. And just find something that interests you. They're not all going to interest you, but we offer many of them a day. So you want to kind of go in and check the calendar and see what's going on this week. Also, Fast Start 106 through 114. You can take it live or you can do it recorded. All right. This is great for new agents or, like I said, relaunching agents. You can also register for a group coaching class that I offer on Thursdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's more details in this PDF that we'll go over. And you can sign up for Ghost Poster, which is a free service that helps you come up with creative ideas for posting about real estate on Facebook, which we know that we all have to do at a high level. Okay. Also, in the first 30 days, you've got to plug into your state offerings. Each state, each broker team for the state offers usually 2 meetings a month. Plus, on the off weeks, they're offering something. It's either an orientation or maybe like a compliance class or a contracts class or something, other training. Really want you to get engaged in your state meetings, at least in the beginning, until you see whether or not you think it's something you want to continue. But you got to go in there and you got to be present for some of that. Be sure to ask where the meetings are held. They're always in your state broker office. And then within the office, they're usually in a boardroom or something. But you can go to the eXp or go to your state's page in Workplace. It says here, ask your broker or visit the state workplace group for details. All right. And then the last thing is this KV Core. So here are some links for KV Core if you want to dive into this. This actually doesn't have to be your first 30 days, guys. This just is important at some point if you want to take advantage of the full tech package that's here at eXp. All right. I mentioned on that first page that it was page 2 for the list of workplace groups. Looks like it's actually page 3. The ones in red, okay, the ones in red, when you like your state page, so let's say it's Ohio page or the Kentucky page or the Missouri page or whatever, you're going to want to go in there and turn the notifications on for that page because those are important announcements. Same with your city's page, same with the eXp Realty announcements, and same with the eXp Referral Network. Go in and turn on those notifications. There's like 3 little dots somewhere on that page. Click on that, and then you can set your notifications. I like to turn them on for those 4 because I get emails about that. Then everything else I turn off. I do not want emails on everything else. All right. Make sense? Here's a little bit about turning those email notifications on and off. So you do not need to like all of these. These are just a few things that I have liked. Some of these may have morphed into another name. Don't worry about that. But this is just a good start, somewhere to start. All right. Here's a checklist for you to go through. Just make sure that you're getting all of these questions answered and that you're on board with this. Talk to your sponsor if you have any questions about any of these, or you can always go into the world and talk to an agent support person. Okay. Also important as you go that you understand these financial benefits, not only the money piece, but the Icon Production Award, your discounted stock purchase program, how you earn stock awards, how you can earn revenue share, all of that. I mentioned Accounting 101 is a great place to start. It will give you an overview of these, but I do want to make sure you understand these. And if you don't, feel free to talk to anybody about them. You can start with your sponsor or somebody in your family tree or just another eXp agent. All right, here's some ongoing support that I hope you'll take advantage of because you're in my family tree somewhere along the way. These are 2 things right off the bat you can do. You can sign up for Ghost Poster. Ghost Poster is Facebook posting ideas. They're sent to your email Monday through Friday, and you have access to a library of well over 600 options for you by category. So there is no reason under the sun for you not to be posting on your personal Facebook page about real estate. Now, you can't sell a house. You can't offer a house for sale on your personal page, but you can do anything else, and you should be. We've got to be making sure that your Facebook friends think about real estate and think about you in the same thought. All right. So that will help you a great deal. Also, I do a free kind of coaching call on Thursdays. As I mentioned, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, called office hours, open office hours. I answer any of your questions, and then I usually have something that I've come to the call to talk about. Okay. The link to, I'd like you to sign up versus just coming to it because I like to have a list of everybody that's in it. Doesn't mean you have to come every time. You don't. But go ahead and register here. And then this is the website to jump in on the call. It's a Zoom call, monicaszoomroom.com. All right. Here's some miscellaneous helpful links. This is the last page of this document. Here's some more KV Core links. Here's the workplace eXp news feed, some eXp healthcare info, and eXp express offers, which you'll be learning about. No hurry on these, but just wanted you to be aware of what's here. All right. Hope that helps. That's just an overview, just to get you started, but there's lots of great information linked into this document. All right. All right. That's it for now. See ya.